I'm using a mini hand drill, inserting the drill bit inside or backwards. The chuck holds 0.3 up to 3 millimeters. So most round and square blanks used for engraving should fit. I'm just using the same process I do to make my gravers, from 80 grit up to 2000 on my power hone. This mini burnisher I'm making right now works really good with the coins that I engrave, especially on the skulls, their teeth, to get in there in the really tight spots and sculpting and shaping them. Going back and forth under my stereoscope to check see if I like the point I've made on it. After the power hone, I'm taking it to my Fordham and using, I think it's like 2500 grit sandpaper just to finish it off. So this mini hand drill I purchased off of eBay for like $6. Had some other chucks laying around. That's a Lindsay graver holder for hand pushing. These pin vices hold different sizes, double-ended, really tiny when they're another little slightly bigger. There's a scribe. These are my mini super stones I use for smoothing the backgrounds. Let's see, that's my vise and my Bausch & Lomb stereoscope. The mini hand drill is a perfect size for hand pushing. Like I said, I got it off of eBay for like $6.